So in question 3, it says that Red Cabs charges a $3 flagfall and $2.50 per kilometre. We need to find a linear equation relating to the costs C and the distance D. So we want to know how much it's going to cost us to travel in this taxi or the cab. So the $3 flagfall is another word for what it costs you to get in the cab, just automatic. Doesn't matter how far you go, it's just going to cost you $3, and then it's going to cost you another $2.50 per kilometre. So the 3 is going to be a constant, and if we think about y equals mx plus c, then the c part is going to be our constant because there's nothing that's going to change that. It's not times by anything. If we think about the per kilometre, $2.50, well, if x is the kilometres and $2.50 is going to be that part, it'll be $2.50 times the kilometres, which will work out how much it's going to cost overall. So that what I'm trying to say is that $2.50 is going to be the M and $3 is going to be the C. So it's going to become Y equals $2.50 X plus 3. The last thing we need to do is to transfer the C and D into our equation. So the cost is obviously going to be what it's going to cost us, and the D is going to be the kilometres. So our final answer is going to be C equals 2.5 D plus 3. From here, we can work out a series of answers. First of all, we're asked how much does a $15 trip cost? Well, we can use our equation to work this out. We want to know what the cost is. C equals 2.5 times 15 plus 3. And we're going to use solve in our calculator for C to work this out. Go to our calculator. So we'll go solve. C equals 2.5 times 15, 15 for D, plus 3, comma C, hit enter, and we see that the cost is 40.5, which of course means that the cost is going to be $40.50. For the last question, it says, how far could you travel for $60? Well, we're going to do the same process, and it's just substituting $60 for the cost. So instead of writing C, we'll write 60. Have this as 2.5 D, because we don't know how far we're going, plus 3. And we're going to have solve at the front. And this time we're solving for D. We go to our calculator. Solve 60 equals 2.5 D plus 3, comma D, and hit enter. And we see that D equals 22.8. So the distance travelled is going to be 22.8 kilometres.